Hi, I'm Brad from asbuiltdrawings Australia. In today's project, we are here to scan this renovated Queenslander located in Coorparoo, Brisbane. Our client purchased this property and later found out that the renovations that had taken place had not had building approval. Our scan today will allow us to produce a full set of building application drawings so that they can lodge with their private certifier for building approval of these renovations. Let's get started. Just finished the scan of the Coorparoo property. That took 8 minutes. So now it's time to go back to the office and import it into Revit. Let's get started.